Here is a visual proof that the summation of 1 by 2 power n from n equal to 1 to infinity is equal to 1. This term can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 and so on. First, let's assume a square with a surface area of unit length. Now, let's slice it into half. This area is going to be 1 by 2. Let's half the remaining part again. And keep on halving it until infinity or until the half becomes infinitesimally small or negligible. Now since this total area is equal to 1, the summation of this infinite series is also equal to 1.